Welcome to SkipperBud's in Pewaukee, Wisconsin. Today we are looking at a 2019 Four Winds 200 HD. A great big swim platform on there. This boat has a Merc 4.5 liter IO. As you can see, no dock rash, no dents or dings on the exterior of the boat. Comes on its own trailer with a folding tongue. Let's take a look up topside. Up topside on the bow of the 2019 Four Winds HD 200. See, they've pulled the beam of the boat all the way forward and made this bow rider section massive. Analog gauges, speed, tack, engine temp, fuel, depth gauge. Captain's chair with bolster. Nice vinyl throughout, no rips or tears. And co-captain's chair with bolster. This boat also comes with the insert bow cushions for a playpen up front. Taking a look at the engine. Mercruiser 4.5 liter, 200 horsepower. This boat has approximately 40 hours on it, so almost like brand new.